Hi, let's get right into it and talk about velvet grips. Last time I said that velvet grips help to secure the wig and keep it in its place. It works because velvet creates friction, which stops the wig from moving. For the grip to work well, you must make sure the friction is created between the wig and the wig grip. Notice the direction of velvet threads. Make sure you put a grip on so those threads would face the opposite direction of the wig sliding back. In other words, when the wig wants to slide back, it should go against the direction of velvet threads. You might also want to think what kind of wig grip to use. There are many types of velvet grips, and you can choose the type that suits your needs the best. Today, I want to cover two of them which we find the most comfortable. First, the classic one. It takes up more space under the wig, so it is a great solution if you find the wig sliding back because it's too big for your head. If the wig is not too big for you and you actually want to save space under the wig, you should enjoy our tailor-made wig grip. This grip doesn't take up much space under the wig, yet performs its function well. Both grips are adjustable, so you can adjust grip size accordingly. And that's it for me today. See you in the next one.